Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains Ford Edge coolant leak and discusses what may be causing coolant to escape from the cooling system under certain conditions. The cooling system is designed to regulate engine temperature and maintain safe operating ranges, and a coolant leak can affect engine efficiency if not addressed. Cooling system layout and component design can vary by model year and engine configuration, so this issue may not apply uniformly to every Ford Edge. Based on documented automotive service and technical information, a coolant leak may indicate reduced sealing effectiveness, material wear over time, or conditions where coolant is no longer fully contained within hoses, connections, or cooling system components. Operating temperatures, mileage accumulation, environmental exposure, and maintenance history can influence how cooling system parts perform. Older generations may experience age-related degradation, while newer models could show different tendencies depending on design updates and usage patterns. This video explains commonly documented causes and patterns. Some cases can vary by model year mileage or prior repairs, so this information may not apply to every vehicle. A certified mechanic or dealership should be consulted for vehicle-specific diagnosis. Possible solutions generally involve inspecting the cooling system to identify the source and severity of the coolant loss. Proper diagnosis helps determine whether the condition is minor seepage or a situation requiring corrective repair to prevent overheating or further engine concerns. In summary, a coolant leak on the Ford Edge can have multiple explanations depending on vehicle age, configuration, and operating conditions. Accurate inspection is essential to maintain proper engine temperature control and long-term reliability. If you do not understand something or have any questions, leave a comment below. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. If you have any copyright concerns or inquiries, refer to description for email.